Pranayama represents a sophisticated field of knowledge, providing us with the means to access the very essence of our life force, guiding its circulation, encompassing not solely our individual existence, but also extending to the entirety of the cosmos. As eloquently put by Swami Sivananda, to grasp prana is to seize the very essence of cosmic life and its vibrant symphony. Mastery over this essence confers dominion over body, mind, and the very fabric of the universe. The portal to the realm of prana resides in the breath itself. Pranayama manifests as a progression beyond the conventional boundaries of breathing, encompassing elongation, acceleration, deceleration, and delving deep into the complete spectrum of our respiratory patterns. Upon attainment of this profound command over breath, the voyage progresses into Prana Vijra, a realm of understanding and direct encounter with prana. This venerable wisdom finds its harmony within the verses of the Upanishads. A poignant analogy surfaces in this journey. Just as prana effortlessly guides our breathing, transforming involuntary rhythm into conscious cadence, so too does pranayama's profound practice mold our relationship with existence itself. The involuntary pulse of breath, rising and falling, finds its counterpart in the rhythm of life, and through pranayama we invite consciousness into this dance. Illuminating that pranayama is not limited to mere breath control, it beckons us towards realizing Brahman within all realms, transforming each thought, each essence into a meditative act. It becomes clear that pranayama's scope eclipses the physical realm, venturing into the realms of universal energy, the infinite reaches of the mind, and the cosmic dimensions of time, space, and matter. The word pranayama echoes this profound journey with its etymological origin. It can be deconstructed into prana and ayama, signifying the expansion of the pranic dimension. Conversely, prana and yama symbolizes the mastery over prana through restraint. Both etymologies encapsulate this essence, revealing that pranayama envelops both expansion and retention of prana. Prana's ceaseless motion finds its apex in kumhaka, breath retention, a temporary cessation that unveils its latent potency. Like a coiled serpent, this dormant pranic energy, known as Kundalini Shakti, is awakened and rises, fusing our essence with divine. Yet pranayama's depth transcends the bodily limits of prana. It is a path to harmonize universal energy, universal mind, time, space, and matter, paving a way to transformation and transcendence. Conscious breathing therefore emerges as a transformative bridge. It bridges the gap between the unconscious process and the conscious command, unveiling our cerebral cortex's latent abilities. As our awareness merges with the rhythm of inhalation and exhalation, our consciousness rises and expands. With each breath, we traverse the realms of prana and consciousness, united in an external waltz. This practice calms the turbulence of the mind, bridges the conscious and the subconscious, allowing for the emergence of the witness, the silent observer of existence. Embarking upon pranayama's path, we tune into the rhythm of our breath, a rhythmic reflection of our inner state. Each inhale and exhale becomes a mirror reflecting the symphony of our own inner being, leading us towards profound rhythm and existence of life.